What we got here? Got a snake. Is it a copperhead? Can't really tell. I don't think it is. Nice. What a good place to stop. Howdy folks, Shawn here from Hiking with Shawn on YouTube. And today I'm at Giant City State Park. I just got back from a bike ride. Did not film it. Mainly been focusing on just trying to get the miles in because it's been hot lately. So I just kind of focus on that. That's why I'm in my cycling jersey. It is a hot one today. But I wanted to come out here and get the spider web out of my face. I wanted to come out here and hike after I was done riding. And pretty much for the purpose of herping. And obviously, as you could tell from the little teaser intro I did, herping is what I got. And that was while I was on the bike. So I'm hoping today's a good day and I could see some more snakes. This is my creek area. Skeeters are already... Oh, had a spider on my nose. Skeeters are already screwing with me. Thought I heard thunder earlier. Really hoping I didn't. At least not until I get out of here. So even if this herp video portion doesn't turn out, at least I got 2 snakes already for it. So it'll be kind of worth watching. Where you at, spider? You're on the ground. Yeah, I'm taking out the webs. Alrighty, I'm off my bike now. Well, you all know that. You've seen the hiking footage. But I came back and the snake is still hanging out. I don't know if it, hopefully it's still alive. Oh yeah, he's alive. He's just hanging out. So I'm still here with the snake. Just texted a buddy who knows snakes a lot better than I do. See if he knows what it is. Because I do not at this time. Are you gonna climb up and see me? But oh, that is nice. Oh, what a nice sight. Where'd he go? Oh, he's going under. No, he ain't. He's right there. He doesn't know what to do. Oh, wow. What a cool sight. What a cool sight. I think he knows I'm following him. What a pretty snake. What a pretty snake. See that? See the circle right there? That's me. Then you see that huge yellow bordering right there. That's a whole bunch of severe thunderstorms. I don't think I've ever seen a severe thunderstorm watch or warning box, that's a warning, that big. I mean, that's huge. There's a lot of nasty storms coming our way. And I'll probably be driving home in it. But I had to show that off. So my other little snake friend went under this rock. He's probably still under there. I don't see him anywhere. And that's what's coming at us. Oh yeah. This is gonna be a strong storm.
To Carterville and Marion, you've got
tornado warning for me.
As the storm seems to be accelerating, need to be in sturdy shelter as soon as you can get there. Get a.
Oh, there goes the power. I'm not. I'm just looking out the screen door. Tornado warning, power is out. Pretty windy. Surprised they haven't set off the sirens yet. Come on. Oh, there they are. Come on, kitty. Tornado sirens activated. And here's a wind. All right, kitty, we gotta get away from the door. People are just driving around. Wind is strong. Well, did they cancel the tornado warning? I think they canceled the tornado warning. Hello.
Yeah, is there, are we having the tornado?
Well, it's radar indicated. I think it's canceled now. Glad I'm not a giant city anymore. The beeping sound is my computer. I have a UPS backup system. Keeps it on for like 6 hours, so that's what you're hearing. And then my cat, which you can't see, is just right here by my feet. Just sitting there like she doesn't care. Oh, there's some people moving around. Oh yeah. Let's just drive around the storm. Why not? Oh yeah. It's windy. Look at that wind, folks. You can just pretty much see it coming by. I'd be out on the porch recording, but the porch is covered in water.